Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can apply a parental control or parental insights for your account on character AI. For example, if you would like to connect your account on character AI and all chats and conversations for the assigned account with a parental email address, for example, to monitor these chats and conversations. So let us guide you through this. So what you want to do is navigate to Character AI, log into your account, click into your profile icon in the bottom left and choose Settings here. Now here on the left hand side, navigate to Parental Insights, and here guys, as previously mentioned, you will need to enter the parent's email address to share, for example, all chats and conversations about these chats and conversations from the associated account, like including, for example, statistics, activity, and all of that sent via email reports on a weekly basis. And that's basically it. So you will need to enter the email address here, click of the parent, click into invite here, and after that the person will, or the recipient will need to accept the invitation via email to get added to that list of these weekly stats and activity reports for the Parental Insights feature. That's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.